We are gathered here this weekend as a group studying Dharma. For the group that is assembled immediately before you, what would be most beneficial for this group to know and understand at this moment?
You see, there are three basic truths that would be beneficial for these ones to align themselves with. We see the first is the recognition and understanding of their personal philosophy. We see it as important for these ones to be able to identify what is their own personal philosophy, and if that personal philosophy is in alignment with who they are, as well as the vision that they hold for themselves. To recognize that the dimension of experience that these ones are in is limited to and confined to their personal philosophy, their personal belief system. And therefore, the reflecting upon the belief system is an important key to their fulfillment. So the second is the willingness to be centered within the heart, to investigate love, connection, intimacy, divine love, and to have their attention upon their heart while in connection with each other, while in connection with themselves, to recognize that love is a doorway to expansion, and expansion is the doorway to truth, and truth is the doorway to wisdom, power, and manifestation. This is all.